Good morning, and welcome to your pre-market report for Tuesday, 24th February 2026. Let's take a quick look at the global cues, domestic trends, and stocks to watch before the markets open. U.S. markets closed sharply lower, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average falling 1.66%, the S&P 500 down 1.04%, and the Nasdaq Composite declining 1.13%. As investor sentiment weakened amid renewed tariff uncertainty and concerns around AI-driven disruption. The broad-based selling reflects a risk-off mood, which could lead to cautious sentiment in global and Indian markets. Asian markets opened mixed today, reacting to the weak U.S. close and continued tariff uncertainty. Japan and South Korea saw modest gains, while Hong Kong and Australia traded lower, reflecting cautious investor sentiment across the region. GIFT Nifty futures as of 8 a.m. was trading at 25,587, thereby indicating a negative opening for the Indian markets today. Crude oil prices are trading slightly lower, but remain near recent highs, supported by ongoing geopolitical tensions and supply concerns. Gold continues to trade strong near record levels, with MCX gold rising to around 1.61 lakh rupees per 10 grams, supported by safe haven demand and geopolitical uncertainty. IDFC First Bank will be in focus after the bank's top management assured the Haryana government that it will expedite the payment of an unreconciled amount of 590 crore rupees. This follows high-level discussions with state officials, and the development is expected to help resolve the issue and improve clarity around the bank's financial obligations. Vodafone Idea is also likely to remain under pressure after analysts at HSBC Global Research noted that the company's planned 45,000 crore rupees capex may not be sufficient to compete effectively with rivals. In comparison, competitors like Reliance Jio and Bharti Airtel are expected to invest significantly higher amounts to strengthen their networks and market position. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited will also be watched after the company received a tax demand of 1,816 crore rupees from the Kochi Excise Department. The demand relates to the pre-merger period of Kochi refineries, and BPCL has stated that it plans to challenge the order before the Sestat. Given the mostly mixed to negative sentiment carried over from the global markets, as well as indications for GIFT Nifty futures, the index may move lower today after the recent rally. Supports placed at 25,500 followed by 25,385 may be tested, while the resistance on the upside in case of positive cues will be 25,770. Indian equity markets may face volatility due to weak global cues, elevated crude oil prices, and cautious foreign investor sentiment. However, strong domestic fundamentals, resilient earnings outlook, and continued DII support could act as key catalysts limiting downside and supporting market stability. Yesterday, foreign institutional investors were net buyers of about 3,484 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors were net sellers of around 1,292 crore rupees. That's your market snapshot for India on February 24, 2026. For more such updates, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Wishing you a focused and profitable trading session ahead.